How to redeem Roblox codes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser as you cannot redeem your codes from the Roblox app itself. So once you have opened your preferred browser, tap on the search bar there and search for roblox.com/redeem. You will further be led to the page where you can enter your redemption code. So go ahead and tap on the code text box and then go ahead and enter the code that you have for Roblox. Finally, tap on the redeem button you see there, and with this, if the code that you entered is correct, then your code will be redeemed successfully. So this is how you can redeem codes in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.